Hi, I'm Linda Deir, and the guides are going to have a conversation with you about what you need to know right now. And here they go. Yes, a very timely video. Dear watchers, you are beginning to come to a future that will be way different than you are thinking. Yes, you will feel very bold because you will be needed to start over with a turn of events that will start now. What do you mean by a turn of events? You vibrate to us and you will be fine. That will be the way to come to terms with life changing events that you have no control over. This will be for the good of you and us. So we can do our part on a timely vibration of strength and unstoppable diligence regarding your part in a future that was never anticipated. So it's going to be quite different than any of us ever thought. Yes, you will be fine. Come to terms with a world that is starting to quickly shift. This shift will be from a unusual turn of events that you have never experienced in your time here. Yes, only you can be free of the worries that will be fear based. People who are wondering what to do, you will be their guide. You are bigger than you think. Yes, you have this guidance and will be fine. Vibration begins to bring you clarity that was impossible to understand before. Very soon, a turn of events will occur. This will be your time to shine. Okay, what they're talking about, and I'm using my intuition as I'm having this conversation with them, they're talking about something in our world that we never anticipated, we never expected. And all these videos where the guides have been episodically preparing you for this. I suggest that you watch the previous videos, and to get through them faster, just speed them up. You can speed them up by clicking in the video and it gives you an option. And that way you can move through them quicker to get your sense of your part in this and start writing down what that is in your journal. Whatever's going to happen, you guys, we know that something is like it has never been before so far. What they're talking about is, I guess we're coming up to that crescendo, like it's showtime. It's showing up. And here's my advice. First of all, get my journal. You need to get this journal. It's called My Guided Journey, and it's on Amazon, $10. Actually, I think it's $12. um, and get it. You're going to read through the journal, part 1, part 2, part 3. And part 1 explains what the journal is all about. And what it's explaining to you is how you knew how to do all this when you were really small, when you were a little kid. I mean, before school, when you had time out, time to yourself, when you had time just to talk with your guides. Now, you didn't intellectually know that's what you were doing, but that's what you were doing. You continued the conversations you had with them before you were in your physical body. That's what you were doing. It was as natural as breathing. You need to go back to that fearless, open, curious learner that you were. That's what you need to do now. You need to return back to that, okay? Because you guys, the rest of it's so easy to fall into: the fear, the what about me, the self-centered concerns that we've always had in our lifetimes, in this lifetime. It's really time to get over it, because if we don't stick together, if we don't come together to help each other, to work with each other, we don't stand a chance. It's that simple. And I'd say that's one of the biggest things we're going to need to learn from everything that's going on. Let the guides finish this session with their thoughts on that. We agree. Yes. That beginning starts with you. We have never left you. And doing this journal writing will be the key. In my book, Guided, I'll show you the book. This is the companion journal to Guided, the journal. And this is Guided, my true life story. In Guided, it talks about how I learned to do this. In fact, this is the formula for what I learned in my true story. starting from the age of 7 when I started writing what was coming through me. I couldn't be walking around in school talking to my guides, you know? So I had to find another way to keep the conversation going. Once you start writing in your journal, you're going to find that you're not just writing to yourself, you're having a conversation like you used to have with something bigger than you. It's really called automatic writing. That's what it turns into. So, anyway, get the journal, start, watch these videos from, I don't know, there's so many of them. And they're short, but they're to the point where the guides are moving you through this episodically, like an episode after episode after episode, working you through where they need you to be. So when the time comes that they talked about right now, it seems like it's coming sooner now. It's very close, that you really are primed up, ready to do your part, to do what you came here to do, your big crescendo, your big moment in this lifetime. Okay? So let's make the best of it. Let's help each other. Okay? And I will see you all next week. And throughout the week, we do these. We're just doing them with the talking board. So keep your eye out for these and do watch the previous ones to get the hang of this, to get yourself back. All right. Bye-bye.